Hey guys, it's Katie. In today's video, I really wanted to try something a little bit different. I've been going through a bit of creative burnout and I've been finding it really difficult to get some inspiration. So today I'll be trying something that I saw in a Skillshare video. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of videos to choose from on all different creative topics ranging from photography, painting, floral design, and it also covers aspects like social media, all the skills that you need to start your own online business. So I was just flicking through different videos on Skillshare and I saw this one that was about painting crystals. Now I typically don't do a lot of watercolour, but I really find it freeing in a creative sense because the water sort of lets it take on its own form. So I thought it would be a great way to battle with my lack of inspiration. So I bought myself a watercolour sketchbook, then got on the watercolours and decided to create some crystals of my own. So I really hope that you guys enjoy watching the process of these crystals come together. And if you want to go and create your own crystals, I will pop the link to the tutorial in the description box and you can feel free to go and check that out. I really want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video and making it possible, and they are also doing an offer right now which gives you 2 months free if you use a link in the description box. But it's only for the first 500 people, so if this is something that you fancy trying out yourself, then head to the description box and check out those links. Thanks so much for watching today's video everybody, and I really hope that you guys enjoy creating your own crystals.